The dressing room is where your outfits come alive. Whether you want to exercise your fashion creativity or build a look for that special date night or important business meeting, this is the place. Create an outfit for every style, theme, and occasion, from top designers, varying price points, and always on trend. Here, you can share your outfits with your friends and others. Want some inspiration to get started? No problem. We'll present you with Fashionholic outfits based on the merchandise you like. Or, how about some advice? Receive style tips from Fashionholic and friends. We'll send you a message with recommendations just for you from your friends or even the style team. Once you're done creating your look, you can tweak it, make another, and even share it on your other social media, including Facebook and Twitter. Also, you can invite friends to play the Style Guesser game to see how well they know your personal style. We'll let you know who correctly guesses the outfits you create.